Hello everyone, today I want to share a special message for someone who is also very special in my life. Today is the birthday of my beloved younger cousin. Before I begin, let me introduce myself. I'm her cousin. We grew up together, shared many stories, played together, and have been close since we were little. That's why her birthday always feels meaningful to me. Happy birthday to my sweetest younger cousin. I hope that on your new journey this year, you are blessed with health, happiness, and the courage to chase every dream you have. May every step you take lead you to good things, and may God always protect you wherever you go. She is the king of caution who makes the whole house feel alive. She is careful, laughs easily, and always manages to bring them any room she works into. Sometimes she can be a little mischievous, but that's actually what makes her loved by so, by so many people. She also has qualities that not everyone sees: is thoughtful, caring toward her family, and always tries to help in her own way. I admire her because even at her young age, she has such a strong spirit to learn and never gives up easily. She is affectionate, especially toward the people she cares about. To me, she is a small reminder of how someone can grow up with a keen heart and so much optimism. And your birthday, I hope you grow into a even stronger, wiser, and more confident person. Never be afraid to dream big because you have the potential to achieve anything you want. Keep being yourself, careful, funny, smart, and someone who always brings happiness to the people around you. I hope I hope your friendship grows stronger, your studies or activities go smoothly, and that your dreams come true one by one. And remember, if you ever need help, need someone to talk to, or simply need someone to listen, I'll always be here for you as your cousin. Once again, happy birthday. I hope this year becomes of the best year in your life. Thank you for being such a sweet, kid, and lovable younger cousin who always makes us proud. Why happiness always surrounds your steps, and may you grow into a strong and loving young woman. Happy birthday, and why God bless every step you take. I love you, and once again, happy birthday.